ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I have a 2019 BMW X3 and I'm just going to go over the instrument panel with you. And we're going to start from the left and go to the right. So let me zoom in right here, okay? So right here, we have the instrument panel. This right here indicates how much fuel you have left in the vehicle right here, all right? You see that? Right here is the speedometer. This indicates how fast you are going, all right? If you go right here, this shows you the temperature, the time, and then right here, it shows you the RPMs, okay? All right, and then over right here, it shows the temperature, all right? Now, to control all of this, all right, all you have to do is go right here. There's a button on the side right here near where the turn signal is located. Press this, and it toggles. At the bottom, you see it toggles through all of this, okay? Shows you the miles per gallon that you get right here. Shows you the miles per gallon you get, the miles you have until empty, miles per gallon. Tap it again, it shows you the direction you're headed. And it's a lot of different features. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.